Yes, last month it didn't go off, so now we're at a new siren. I hope it goes off. See here, got lemonade prime. See, my tooth came out. So I was just in music class and then I just yanked it out. So, but let's just hope it goes off. Let's get a little closer.
Okay, and what kind of a siren is that one?
Modulator. Two-stack.
The two-stack modulator. And we're actually at a park.
You guys want to turn around? We're down there. And you guys can probably start ribbing.
And then there's also a fire rescue station right here.
Fire rescue station.
And today we have Jagger with us.
If you guys like sirens, please comment down below. And just comment if you like prime. Because you guys like modulators, comment down below yes or no. If you like 30s more, yes or no. Just comment. I told you guys, we missed it last time, but today was the day. So you guys heard that I said it wouldn't go, last time it didn't go off, but today, that was the day. Yeah! See you guys in the next video. If you guys want to see me one day, you guys can see me. I may be at school though.